Welcome to Yorkshire Appliances, your go-to destination for top-notch appliances and expert repair services.
Our comprehensive repair services cover a wide range of appliances. Whether it's a washer that won't spin, a dishwasher that doesn't clean, a fridge that's not cooling, an oven that won't heat, our skilled technicians are here to help.
We specialise in repairs for both integrated and freestanding appliances. Electric ovens, range cookers, hobs, cooker hoods and microwaves.
Unsure if we can service your appliance? Just give us a call. Our team is equipped with a wealth of experience to help us diagnose and fix problems efficiently.
With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.
We're proud to be a trusted partner for countless households.
And that is why we're rated 5 stars on Google.
Based in Shipley, West Yorkshire, we're a family-run business dedicated to making your life easier. Join our community of happy customers. To find out more information, visit YorkshireAppliances.com or give us a call.
Yorkshire Appliances, good old-fashioned customer services, because we know the value of good service with a personal touch.